What is good? Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, we're going to talk about 5 ways to make long distance relationships work. Personally, I never really cared for them, but it is possible for it to work. I promise you that. So stick around for the 5 ways to make your long distance relationship work. So the number 1 tip that I think is the most important, you got to communicate. But since you're long distance, y'all got to communicate regularly. Whether y'all FaceTiming, texting, talking on the phone, y'all got to communicate regularly to build up that bond. Imagine this, y'all in a little relationship, right? But y'all only talking once a month, twice a month, and y'all do that for like a year. And then y'all come meet up with each other. That's gonna be kind of awkward, right? Y'all ain't gonna know nothing about each other. You ain't gonna know what the other person like. You're not going to know what the other person dislikes, their favorite color, nothing. Because y'all don't communicate enough to learn. But get to know each other. Get inside each other's minds and just become close. Make y'all relationship the best that it can be. All right, next tip. Now this one is my favorite. Give each other gifts every now and again. Like I was watching one YouTube video where these 2 people was in a long distance relationship, and I saw that when they gave each other gifts, it lit up their whole world. Like you don't have to be near someone to make them feel special. You know what I'm saying? Y'all could be halfway across the world from each other and y'all can make each other feel like y'all are only people in the world to each other. Like I would say send little things like cologne, perfume, bracelets, some type of charm necklace, a promise ring, you know, something like that. Let them know that you thinking about them and that you care enough for them to get them something special. I would even consider a love letter a gift. And like spray your perfume or your cologne that you normally wear so they know what you smell like. I feel like when you give somebody like your cologne or your perfume that you wear, it gives them like a piece of you. Like one time I bought this girl like a $30 teddy bear, but on the way home to give it to her, I fell in a ditch. Boy, that joint crazy, but that's a whole nother story right there. Next tip, y'all should make plans to visit each other. If y'all really want to be with each other so bad, take your time out, save your little money up, get a plane ticket and go see the other person. And then like take turns. You visit her first, she visit you next, and y'all do that back and forth. And then that way, y'all get to experience each other cultures in person. Y'all get to grow that physical bond. You get to see if you really like this person. Tip number 3. Oh yeah, y'all gotta talk dirty to each other. You gotta keep the relationship spicy. Like y'all gotta keep that tension. So when y'all meet up, it's like you can't contain it after a while. You gotta keep the other person interested in you. You gotta give them something to look forward to when they're coming to go see you on that plane. You gotta make it so when they get off that plane, they running into your arms. You gotta make your partner yearn for you. Tip number 4, y'all gotta do things together like Netflix and chill. Not Netflix and doing the nasty chill, but like Netflix and actually chilling. She on her side of the world watching a movie and you on your side of the world watching a movie together. Like y'all watching the same movie at the same time, at the same speed, and then y'all like on the phone or FaceTiming, and when the scary scene pop up, y'all both scream at the same time, and it's a good time. Y'all having fun, y'all doing y'all happy. The whole purpose of a relationship, y'all it's just y'all getting used to each other and growing with each other. That's really it. You're just giving the other person what they lack and they giving you what you lack, and then y'all can be the best of each other's both worlds and being the best that y'all can be together. You know, just do things together like watching movies, listening to music, playing games online. Tip number 5, give each other nicknames. And I say this because I feel like when you give somebody a nickname, to me it means y'all are on a deeper level now. Y'all got names for each other that only y'all call each other. You feel me? All right, think about it like this. You just got off from a hard day's of work, right? And you going home. The kids at the door, your partner greet you with a kiss and be like, "Hey, Bookie Bear." And then you call her your nickname, Love Bug, or that's gonna make you feel so special, ain't it? Like those names are just y'all's and y'all's only. Can't nobody take that away from y'all. Eventually, y'all gonna get to the point to where y'all know everything about each other. Y'all know what ticks the other person off. Y'all know what makes the other person happy. Y'all gonna know how to push each other buttons. But because y'all together, y'all not gonna do that. I just wish everybody the best success on their relationships, their marriages, their families. If you like this advice, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. I'm gonna be uploading more frequently on this channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Look, I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate y'all support. Thank y'all for watching. And I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Peace out.